Hi, I'm Bill Kinsaul, Clerk of Court in Bay County, Florida. One of the primary duties for the Clerk of Court is the keeper of the official records. All deeds, mortgages, liens, everything that has to do with one of your most valuable assets, your home and your property. Today I'm here to talk to you about property fraud. You may see ads on TV or hear spots on the radio about people trying to steal your property or do something without your permission. Two of the primary things you need to be concerned about are people filing liens against your property and also filing fraudulent deeds against your property. I'm not here to scare you, but these things do happen from time to time, and there are easy and smart ways to take steps to help prevent that. The Bay County Clerk's Office offers a free property fraud alert system that you can sign up for. I would encourage everyone in Bay County that owns property to go onto our website and sign up for the alert. The service is very simple to sign up for. You go to our website, you enter a little bit of information, you'll receive a confirmation email, and then you are set to go. Rest assured that I and all the clerks across the state take this very seriously, and we will continue to find ways to protect your property now and in the future.